watching Nour trade live. Meanwhile, this man can barely trade, and he's trading stocks, and I've seen how he trades before. He doesn't even wait till a 1-minute candle closes.
Alright, let's keep in mind that video we just watched was 4 years ago. Look at the video he just made last night.
Why do most trading mentors say that trading mentorships are a scam? It's to sell you on their mentorship instead. There's a lot of good...
With that being said, welcome to episode 12 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. Not only is he being a hypocrite, but between the both of us in the last 4 or 5 years, whenever that first video was made, the only person to drop a course is that man there, Mr. TJR. Now, everything is free because he's trying to show you guys he's not trying to make money off of you guys. We talked about on the previous episodes, if you have not watched that, go watch it, how TJR makes money off of you guys losing in trading. Off his funded accounts, how do funded companies make money? You losing. How does Hero FX pay him? Well, it's rebates from you guys losing in that account. And you could go way more into detail, just go watch the previous episodes. Now, the only thing I've ever had for sale is my Discord, which I've had around since 2018. All I do is live stream on it. And if I ever post it on my story, it's a free link. Other than Mr. TJR, who's always posting something you have to pay for. Now, besides the point of him being a hypocrite and how he makes money off of you guys losing, guy has finally put up the Koenigsegg up for sale because why? The marketing is all done. That big down payment, the monthly payments he was paying, all became worth it because he was selling his ass to you guys, showing you guys that this is the life you can buy when you are a trader. Meanwhile, my guy does not trade. I have a $100,000 bet if TJR can come sit with me in person, and I'll show you guys how much I've made in trading versus how much he has. He has not made any money from trading.